Hi everyone, welcome to fourth tutorial session on IC engine connecting rod assembly. This is Satisha Kumar K, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. In this session, I will going to explain the assembly of connecting rod. Please watch the steps carefully for better understanding the connecting rod assembly.
Today I'll show you assembly of connecting rod. In last two sessions completed the part modeling of connecting rod parts. To complete assembly of connecting rod, you have to click on assembly sheet in Solid software. After clicking of Solid assembly command in Solid software, you can see in left corner we can see folder and total parts. Total parts of part modeling parts are present under parenting. These are the parts we already completed in previous sessions. Now first click on the cover. Click on cover and drag into the sheet. After dragging into the sheet, next part is bearing brackets. That is now to bring into the sheet. Next, you have to move the cursor over bearing bracket. Click here. You can see here three dotted lines. Then now you have to click on right mouse button. You can see here, click in that you can click phase 1, phase 2, you want edge. Click on that. Next, click on the this edge. Likewise, you have to assemble the bearing brass. Next part is distance. You have to bring into the sheet. Now here also, you have to move the cursor over the part distance to this. You can see here also three dotted line you can go right click, go for edge, and this edge should meet with this edge. Okay. Now this part should mirror it to here. Similarly, this part mirror to an opposite side. For that, we will go for mirror command. Mirror, you click on plane. Which plane you want? This plane I want. I click this one, and I will select part. This part have to mirror to opposite side. So click this one and click on the right mark. You can see and click OK. You can see here that part is mirrored to opposite side and finish. Now this one you want to mirror it to opposite side. For that click on mirror command and select right plane and select the feature or part. This bearing what you want to select and click on right and click OK and finish. You can see that part is mirrored to opposite side. Now next part is connecting rod. Connecting rod you have to bring into the sheet. Here also first you have to move the cursor over the part, and you can see here in this part in this side you can get the three dotted line. Red mark edge you want, this edge should meet with this. The next one is bush. Bush you have to bring into the sheet. Here also right here three dotted line right here. You have to go for edge. This edge I want outer edge. I want outer edge. This edge. This edge should meet with inner circle. This circle. That part is over. Now next part is start one. Right? Start to bring into the sheet like this, and axial alignment. This axis should align with this surface. Right? Then you have to go to this axis should align with this edge. That one is level. Now you have to rotate the drum like this. Before that one, you have to once again you have to bring in the ISO mode. Then you have to go for washer. Washer, you have to bring in the receipt. Then next here, first you have to also you have to wait for three dotted line, then right click and go to outer edge. That outer edge should mate with inner of this circle. Like this. Next, you have to bring into ISO mode, then go for nut, bring into the sheet. First, you have to go for axial alignment. Here, axial alignment with the surface with axial alignment with this. Now, next is to this inner surface. Inner surface, the curve surface is there. That should made with wait for three faces. Here you can see about this face should made with this. I can see. I keep it in front view like this. Look only you have to see. That completes the fitting of nut into stud. Now split sheet. Now you have to go for split pin. Split pin. You have to before that one you have to go for pin. Pin you have to bring into the sheet. Like this, drag into the sheet. Then you have to for three line. This edge should align with this edge. Like this. Now if I rotate the drum like this, right side you can see extra portion here. That one you want to bring into exactly half, equal half. That should that portion should be equally distributed in two sides. For that you have to go to assembly pathfinder, select the pin, then you have to click this one, and here you have to give instead of 0 0 minus 2 you have to give minus 2. I can see can separate equally distributed in two sides. Now once again go to ISO mode here, ISO mode. After placing the pin, now next you have to go to split pin. Click on this split pin part, bring it into the sheet. Now you have to select the surface and bring it into click the curved surface of nut. Now you have to view this portion. For that you have to select command control L. I can see left side you can observe. Now you have to move this into right direction. For that you have to select move, select okay, select this part, select the y axis, move the part in directly right up to here. The cursor will touches the curve surface of the nut. Like this you have to bring into it fits the split pin. Now bring the drawing into ISO mode. Select now this part split pin, nut, washer and stud. That will have to bring into opposite side of the drawing. For that I will select mirror command, select mirror, then you have to select plane, you have to select, then you have to go to assembly pathfinder, click on that one, and select pass. First I want split pin and pin by pressing control button, select this one, split pin, nut, washer and stud. Then click right mark, then click OK and finish. You can see all parts are mirrored to opposite side. That completes the assembly of connecting rod. Now you have to go for save the drawing. For that you have to select suitable folder. That folder one you have to save the drawing. Go for D. That connecting. Save. After saving, I want to bring this one into 2D view. For that, I go for create drawing, file, then that create drawing, then click OK. You can see 2D sheet is appearing. Now click next, click front, and click next. Now you have select top view and isometric. Let's finish. You have to click on the main sheet. This is the sheet. You can see top view, front view, top view, and isometric view. Now you have to go to sheet setup, change the sheet into A4, remove the show background, and save the for OK. Then now you have to click on fit sheet. Then bring the drawing inside the main sheet by clicking the top view and clicking the front view like this. Then by clicking this isometric view like this. Now you have to go for fit sheet. Okay. And I want front section, full front sectional view. For that I will use different command. If you want to they ask for half sectional view, then you have to go for broken out section. But I want now for this drawing I want full sectional view, so I will go for sectional view command. For that I will select first cutting plane, then select top view. Before that one I will delete front view. So I will delete front view, I will delete. Then I will go to cutting plane and select top view. Then I draw, take line command, and draw one simple on line like this. Now hit finish. Now I will select go for section view and select the line, this newly created horizontal line, red color you can see, and click this one and bring the front view like this. This is section full section front view of connecting rod. Only this. Now we have to go for text. Make it this one is front view and this one is top view and this one is isometric view. This completes the assembly of connecting rod.